Come back to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of American Airlines Group with the ticker symbol AAL. Today, American Airlines is up 3.78% and trading at $15.09 a share. Yesterday, the stock closed at $14.54 a share. Today, the stock opened at $14.90 a share, which was quite high, and since then it has continued on its upward trajectory. Today, the stock went as high as $15.27 a share. The 52-week range for American Airlines Group is $11.93 all the way up to $22.35. Volume is quite respectable at 21 million shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 36 million. The market capitalization of American Airlines Group Inc. is 9.76 billion US dollars. Now, there's something I want to just remind you guys about. So the cost of airline tickets has gone up substantially. In some cases, not only has it doubled, it has trebled or even quadrupled for the same route that you could take, for 1/4 the price just a few months ago. So what that tells me is that if people still keep on traveling this summer after 2 years of a shutdown, then it means that for the third quarter earnings report, it's going to be phenomenal for most of the airlines, and you and I know exactly what that means. It means that the stock prices are going to run up, and the companies will be making so much money from the appreciated asset that is their stock valuation. Now, if you look at the past month, you can see that American Airlines has slowly been recovering. The stock has gone from about $12 to $15, and it seems poised to keep going up. And this is not just for American Airlines Group. All the other airlines are also experiencing the same thing. So there's going to be a resurgence in air travel as the world has reopened. Still a few areas where they have pockets of issues, and those are on lockdown depending on how big the area is. But for the most part, the world is fully reopened, and this summer and going into the fall, lots and lots of people will start traveling. Just one snag: the cost of the tickets has gone up exponentially, and yet people still keep traveling. So the airlines, I think, will report like a very, very stellar third quarter 2022. Also, American Airlines Group has put in an order for vertical takeoff and landing taxis, and they have the option to increase the size of their order, and I think the whole deal is worth about $1 billion. So I think that American Airlines has seen that technology demonstrated, and so they went ahead and placed their order. Will this be for transporting persons or cargo? It's still up for debate, but the fact is that they have placed an order for these vertical transport taxis. So we will see exactly how that plays out. So that's the story on American Airlines Group, that the stock is going upwards and has been doing so for the past month. And at this point in time, it might be a good point to stop, look at your stock portfolio, and consider adding some airline stocks on there if you haven't done so already. I want to thank you all for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. We just hit 600 subscribers, and we have 400 more to go to by November, which is the target that we set for ourselves, which is when you have the midterm elections. Thank you, and have a great week.